Hey everyone, I'm Shubham. In this video, we're going to walk through how to create an independent-based counter in PLG OS. First, from your dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Track and Measurements. From the drop-down menu, select Counters. On the Counters page, you'll see a list of any counters you've already created. To make a new one, click the Create a Counter button in the top right. A pop-up asking for the type of counter you want to create. Click the drop-down and select the independent counter. Then click Start Creating. Now, name your counter and add a description. The name should be clear and descriptive of the event you're tracking. Below, you'll see the source section. This provides the code you need to implement this counter. You can easily copy it and add it to your application. Then simply click the Save and Publish button. And just like that, your new counter is created. It's now active and ready to start tracking events. You can view and manage it anytime from the Counters page. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps you get started with creating your own independent counters to track the user actions that matter most to you.